A red car sped through the streets with police in pursuit. Officers tried to stop them, but the chase pushed beyond all limits. When the car finally crashed into a wall, the real chaos began.
Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Laverne. Northbound Laverne. Guys, don't engage us. That's eastbound Quincy, eastbound Quincy, don't bail.
Don't engage.
Eastbound Quincy, it's gonna bail. Do not engage it. Quincy.
I don't know.
Alright, Laverne, Quincy. And officer, you got it up.
Quincy south of us.
Eastbound Quincy. Alright, eastbound Quincy, Laverne. Eastbound Quincy up this road. So we got one headline, guys. He's going northbound this road.
Here it comes. He's coming back on us. He's coming back up by us.
Quincy, one headline.
Speed very quick. He's going to be flying.
Eastbound Adams.
Eastbound.
This road Adams.
Sister Adams, north of us. There he is.
Sister Adams, gas station. Anybody on there?
They stopped him.
Adams.
You wanna go?
Yeah, they stopped him.
Hey, go around here.
He's right here. Hey, get your firearm out.
Alright, who's over at Sister Adams?
32, we're here.
Ben, don't let him get out.
Watch out, here he comes. He's coming at us. He's gonna ram us. He's gonna ram us. He's gonna ram us. He's gonna ram us. Here he comes. Oh my God. Watch out. He's gonna ram the fuck out. Watch out. Alright.
That's my time for sure.
One second, the first.
Gauge 1, Zone 12, Cicero and Madison. Cicero and Madison, right down again. One for robberies.
What the fuck?
Madison. I stopped on Cicero for Madison.
Oh my God, Eddie. Holy fuck, it's not stopping.
Did you wanna take it or no? What do you wanna do?
Gauge 1, he's going westbound on Jackson. From Cicero, westbound Jackson from Cicero.
Go ahead.
No, they can take it. They can
Alright,
take
westbound
that shit. I'm
Jackson
not
from
gonna.
Cicero.
Watch out. You're gonna hit the curb here. Okay, there they go.
Should we go?
At Laverne. Northbound Laverne from Jackson. Guys, don't engage us. That's eastbound Quincy, eastbound Quincy, don't bail.
Yeah, don't engage.
Alright, eastbound Quincy, gonna bail. Without engaging. Quincy.
Quincy south of us.
Eastbound Quincy. Eastbound Quincy from Laverne.
50-50.
Eastbound Quincy at this road. So we got one headline, guys. Going northbound this road.
Hey, people on top fire. Back up by us.
Everybody, 51 headline.
Hey, get the gun! Get the gun!
This road Adams.
Alright, we got him. Hey, shots fired? Shots fired?
That's right. Yeah.
Hey, people on top fired. Hey, get the gun! Get the gun! I got it! Alright, we got got him. Hey, shots fired? Shots fired? Shots fired. 333, we got shots fired. Hey, get the gun, get the gun! I got it. Alright, we got him. Hey, shots fired? Shots fired? Shots fired. 333, we got shots fired. Fuck. We're in this room, and
I got my gun. I got it.
this room, Monroe.
We got him.
Shots fired! Shots fired! 333, unsure if it was CPD or hey, is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Check the rest of the car. Good. Huh? Shit. Hey, who shot? Yeah, I think so. You got another one?
He's repeating. Roll over, check if he's bleeding. You got anything on you? You got anything on you? What you got on? Get that fucking mask off, bro. The fuck, relax. No. How'd you hit? Do you tell anything? Oh, not that I know. Woo! Alright, so much time. Okay, listen. Stay put. Where's the beam? You got a beam? We're going to take a floor apart. Alright. Relax.
Page 1 to the zone. Can we get a number? How many do we have to detain? We have 3 or 4. No, we have 2 detained for sure. 51. 11.
That's not bad. Alright, well, I found a beam.
You guys got 1 detained?
Toss the beam. Just relax. You see one under.
So what?
The one right here? Yes. They have one over there. Did you go over there? Go over there. I did.
11:15, got one across me. Where you at?
Dude, it's on. CPD did it.
What do you do? Dude. Dude.
That's my hat. Put it. I thought he had a beam on him. He tossed the beam. Remember that?
See one on him.
Let's just go back to the car, yeah?
Dude, he's got something, man. He threw some shit.
They have one over there. Did you go over there? Go over there.
I did. I saw